Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Oreo mousse without heavy cream. This delightful dessert achieves a wonderfully rich and creamy texture by using a clever substitute. Instead of traditional heavy cream, we'll be incorporating softened cream cheese, which provides a fantastic base. This method ensures your mousse is both decadent and surprisingly simple to prepare, perfect for satisfying those sweet cravings. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create this impressive treat with just a few common kitchen staples. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 15 to 20 Oreo cookies, which will crush for both the mousse and a lovely garnish. For the creamy base, ensure you have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We'll also use 1/2 cup of powdered sugar for sweetness, 1/4 cup of whole milk to achieve the right consistency, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance all those delicious flavors. These simple items are all you need for a truly delightful dessert. Now, let's get to the fun part of preparing your mousse. First, finely crush about 12 to 15 Oreo cookies, setting aside a few for later. In a separate bowl, beat the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Gradually, add in the 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is smooth. Finally, gently fold in your crushed Oreo pieces, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture. Once your mousse is mixed, it's time for the final steps. Carefully spoon the creamy Oreo mixture into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl, depending on how you wish to present it. Now, the most important part, refrigerate your dessert for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the mousse to set perfectly and develop its full flavor. Before serving, garnish with extra crushed Oreo cookies or a whole cookie for a beautiful finish. This recipe yields enough for 4 to 6 delightful servings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.